Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Sidekick, a tool that claims to automate your meeting scheduling with the power of AI. It's an alternative to Calendly, and it's a smart scheduling tool that helps you save time by offering customized scheduling pages and automatic scheduling. How the tool works? Literally, it's a Calendly alternative. So it's a tool that helps you to automate your scheduling workflow. So if you want to book a meeting with a client or you want the client to book a meeting with you, you have all the tools with Sidekick to do that. And their main feature that is the most unique is the forward to email scheduling. You're going to get all the future superhero plan updates, and the difference here of codes is the number of teammates, so the number of accounts that you're going to have and calendars. If you buy one code, you get one team member on your account. If you get more than one, you get more team members. And if you get 5 codes, you get unlimited team members on your account. So let's take a look at the deal and how it works. Here on settings, you can see that you can disable the Sidekick branding. So you're not going to have branding on your scheduling page. And here you can also change your scheduling URL, and you can enter a default phone number anywhere of the world. And also you can add a phone conference pin. In the first tab, you can create your scheduling page. The scheduling page lets you make a link where anyone else can schedule with you. You can customize them quite a bit, create a new one to see your options. So let's try it here. Here's a new page. So I'm gonna add the meeting title as networking. Oh, and here you can set up, and you can see that it's pretty easy to create your time block. So it's the time where people can schedule a meeting with you. So it's pretty simple, just drag and drop and do it with all the days. If you want to be available on Saturday, for instance, you can just click here on the plus button and add a meeting block as well. The main duration of the meetings, can see here, for instance, 1 hour and a half. You can select that to allow guests to schedule on the same day or not. Buffer time is the time between the meetings. So you can also add here. On the page, you can disclose also if those kind of meetings will be in person, and you can enter your preferred location here by phone, and you can also add your phone number, or by video. And video integrations, you have Zoom and Google Meet. Let's say here we're going to create in person and can enable a team page or not, where people can book not only with you, but also with your team. Here you can enter the description of your meeting. So let's network. And you can add meeting questions. For instance, how can I help you? What's your issue, etc. You can also establish the unique URL, and you can let people invite additional guests to your meeting. Click here, and your page is created. You receive a link like that, and you can see the page here. So it's how it looks like. I think it's pretty. You click here, the name, and then people add the email, how can I help? And clicking here, they will schedule the meeting. Since I'm here logged on my own account, I can't schedule the meeting, but as you can see the page, how it works. The forward to schedule is the unique feature on Sidekick, which makes us, think about buying the tool. What makes it different? You get an inbound forward email address, and then when someone wants to schedule a meeting with you, you are using your email, for instance, your Gmail, and someone says, do you have time next week for a meeting? And then instead of giving your time, you can just forward that email to Sidekick, to that forward email address, and Sidekick will automatically, with the AI, contact the person by email, and will give some options to them to schedule the meeting with you. And both of you will receive the meeting confirmation after that. Okay, and you can see here that you can select the general availability for that, also the time zone, and if it's preferred by in-person, phone, video, etc. You can customize everything. Sidekick has a calendar where you can see your meetings, okay, and you can connect with your Gmail. Those are the possibility of integrations: the Google account, Microsoft account, Zoom account, and Microsoft Teams. Also Google Meet. You have a CRM inside Sidekick where you can click here, add the email, name, phone number. You can change here the country, and you will have a CRM here. You also can create your preferred locations for meetings. Just click here and you type, for instance, the anywhere and a phone number if you want, a website, and you create a location that will be one of your preferred locations for meetings. It will appear here on the left. So it will be easier for you to, when you create your page or doing your scheduling, to add your favorite locations. You also have an analytics, okay? And that's Sidekick, so it's pretty cool. I like the user interface. The forward email, it's pretty unique feature. If you need a scheduling tool, I think Sidekick could be a good idea. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much.